I want you to be honest with me. Tell me what is going on between you and your sisters.
Mother. But you asked them and they said nothing.
You know that's not possible. Because you cannot play such games with me. Talk to me. I want you to talk to me.
Mother. Honestly, I don't know anything. I have been trying to find out from them, but they kept shutting me out, fighting with themselves. Mother, I'm confused. Honestly.
What is confusing you?
I don't know.
That none of you will tell me what is going on? Amongst you, siblings, and you don't know what is going on. And you sit here and tell me you do not know what is going on. Yet you're the one complaining most.
Mother, please. I suggest you call them and ask them this question yourself. Yes, because me, Urena, I don't know anything. Honestly, Mother. I don't know. My sisters, I spoke with Mother and she was asking me, why are you fighting and quarreling? Yes, I didn't want to tell her because it will be a shameful thing to know that you are fighting for a man. And who is that man? A palace cook.
You can say that again, Uri. You know, that is more reason the two elder sisters should have left the boy for me. Because they are not in his level. I am in his level.
And what class are you then? You classless animal. What class?
Olama, I will not have you insult me. I do not insult you, but if you do,
and if I insult you, what will you do?
I will give it to you.
Can you people stop?
10 over 10.
Can you stop?
I will give it to you.
Shut up.
Can you stop? You can imagine. Don't try me.
Ngozika, I brought you all here for peace. I don't like what you are doing. You want to start fight again?
It's obvious you called a useless meeting. Yeah, and I'm not supposed to be here. If it's not a useless meeting, why are they still quarreling? Because from all indications, these idiots, these two fools, are not ready for peace talk. They want war. And war they shall get. Because as it stands now, I am ready to fight you both to a standstill.
Mumu, close your mouth!
Period.
Can you fight me? Mumu, can you fight me?
Ngozika.
You heard me.
Ngozika.
So if you want to talk, just watch the way you talk and don't even try to insult me. Direct it this way.
Shut up your mouth, my friend. Direct it which way?
What's all this? What is all this?
Ngozika,
Sis.
did you just call me Mumu?
Big sis.
No. Allow me to teach her what a Mumu can do.
See my eyes, oh.
Me?
Yes. Have you
Hey,
Ifeyiwa, I am warning you. Ifeyiwa, I am warning you. I swear I will break your head. Did you hear me? Don't try me. Don't try me. I will show you. If anybody tries me in this palace, I will break their head. Ngozika has spoken.
You don't behave like your other sister at all.
You can imagine. Your other sister, my fool. You're like elder sister. You are here dragging a man with your younger ones. You should be ashamed of yourself.
So this is a bless you, Rena. God will bless you, Rena. Since ever mother gave birth to you, I just saying the truth. You will go to heaven, my sister. God bless you. She's indeed a moron. You are a moron.
Oh, Hola. I can see there is a dumb God, right? There is a dumb God. Everybody should come out to see. Everybody should come.
Ngozi, I'm talking to you.
Ogini, what is it?
Wait, are you shouting at me? Do you want me to slap you?
Hey, I laugh in Chinese. Try it. Try it, Ola. Try it and let me show you the stuff I'm made of.
Really? I don't know what is giving you so much guts to speak to me like that. Well, I'm not here for a fight.
Wise choice.
Ngozika, You know I am your sister. I am your elder sister. And I meant so well for you. If you look at the situation here, you will see that Ifeyinwa is the one that is at fault here. I don't know why she doesn't want to leave that boy alone. I mean, she doesn't want to leave Benjamin for us. I'm gonna meet her mates. Yes, leave Benjamin for us. She's too old for him. But she refused to understand.
You're right, you know. But if I may ask, leave him for who exactly among us?
Go back here. Omoma Saro. Tomato juice. One name. Imanimaka. Asa. Imamoge Sunday. Look at you. Look at your color. Look at your beautiful skin. Look at your hair. My sister money be full package. So you should just, leave him for your beautiful sister to marry. Of course, Imano, you're not up to the age of having sex. Ikadobere. With all this your futures, you can see a good man that will marry you.
Oh, I see. Oh, so this is what you've been trying to get at, right? I should leave Benjamin for you. As what?
Your
Queen
sister.
Elizabeth. Now let me tell you. I will never leave Benjamin. I will not leave him today. I will not leave him tomorrow. I will not leave him forever. Read my lips. Yes. And yes, let me tell you, I am so little. I'm not supposed to be dragging Benjamin with you people. That is even more reason you two should leave him for me. So that he will start maintaining me on time. That is how it should be, not the other way around.
I should have known better than to reason with a monkey like you.
Me? A monkey? It's better I'm a monkey than to be an incomplete imbecile, because that is what you are.
How dare you?
How dare you? How dare you? It's crazy. How dare you? Oledo, I am warning you. I am warning you. I will show you. You saw who? I will show you.
You know your elder sister.
What a shame. What a shame. Look at both of you. From a noble royal home, fighting each other. Tell me, have you forgotten that you are from a noble royal home? I'm talking to both of you. Have you? You now behave like touts. Children from the home of touts. Destitutes. Miscreants. Oh, so if the guards were not around, you would have torn yourselves apart. Is that? I see. Now, somebody must talk to me in the language that I must understand. Somebody must talk to me now. Why are you both fighting? What happened?
Father, Ngozika here does not have respect for me as her elder sister. She does not.
With due respect, Father, Oledo here has been oppressing me in this palace, and I've been keeping quiet. All in the name of seniority, where she doesn't even behave like one. Dad, I will no longer do her bidding. Never!
And what is this her bidding that you will never abide to any longer? What is the bidding you will not do?
Dad, forget about it, please. It's a long story.
Make me understand. Now, both of you. Somebody must talk to me in the language that I must understand now. Why have you decided to go dirty? Answer me! Why are you fighting each other? Somebody must talk to me now.
What troubles the king's mind? Why are you not sleeping? What is the problem?
Issues. I don't know why our daughters should be fighting without telling us the reason for their fight. They can't even confide in us.
I've even called them for a meeting. ask them what the problem is. But none of them could open their mouths to tell me what the problem is. Yes, I'm as bothered as you are. But are we going to force words out of their mouth? So come on, these girls are over 18 years and above. It's not something we can kill ourselves.
My queen, does it mean we've lost it?
We've not lost it. They know what they're fighting.
We don't have control over our children any longer.
Hello, we do. Just sleep.
They have just resorted to violence instead of peace. What is it? Onememobiocho is highly pissing me off.
It's okay. Just sleep. Get you to your room when you become tired.
Hey, my brother, have you heard the Have you heard about the latest palace cuckoo? His name is Benji. Benji the cuckoo daya. He's calling them for kitchen and pot. Hey, my brother, have you heard?
My princess.
Mr. Benjamin.
What happened? Who did this to you? Eh? No, tell me. Who did this to you? Who just said, mention the person's name? Who did this to you? Who did this to you? What happened?
It's okay, just calm down. You are living like a man that wants to kill someone.
I wouldn't mind killing because of you. Who did this to you?
You dare not. Please.
Answer my question. It's a simple question. Who did this to you?
Don't worry. It's just a minor accident. I had an accident. Yes.
Are you sure?
I'm very sure.
So sorry, my princess. I'm sorry. Oh?
It's fine.
I hope it's not that deep.
No, it's not that deep. I'm fine. Please, don't kill anybody for anything. The cause is generational. Please, it's just a minor thing. I will be fine.
Are you sure it's an accident or you don't want to tell the person who did this?
No, it's an accident. It's an accident. Look at it very well now. It's an accident. No, please, don't do that. Don't worry. Do you want me to help you cut?
No, don't worry. You need to chill.
Thank you.
Are you sure you'll be fine?
I'll be fine. You are such a kind person. Don't worry. I'll be fine. Let me help you.
Just relax and watch me. Just relax, eh?
It's okay. So, did you see my sister?
No. I thought it was someone that did this to you. I swear.
No, don't do that.
Little sis, you know, I actually called you out to confide in you about something that is very important to me.
Oh, really?
It's about your friend Benjamin, the cook.
Oh, Benjamin.
I would like you to help me talk to him about me. I like him. I want him.
You like him? I don't understand.
Of course, you perfectly do. Yeah, you understand me. It's about Ola and Ngozi. And I hope you know I'm not interested in the so-called prince. Yeah, I want Benjamin. And I know you can help me get him. I know you can help me make him look my side.
So, what do you want me to do?
Very simple, you know. I want you to help me convince him about me. You know, just say nice things about me to him. I want him to want me. And I know you can do that. He listens to you.
Sis, how deceitful can you be? While others are busy chasing the prince, you are busy chasing a common cook. A common cook. Sis, I don't understand you.
Oh, well, it's fine. His position in this palace as a cook doesn't really matter. What matters is that I love him. I love him. And that's why I want you to help me talk to him about me. Okay? I know you can do it.
You surprise me. Honestly, you love him and you want me to talk to him. You want me to talk to a man to marry you, right? Are you that classless?
Huh? You didn't say that, did you? No, the fact that I called you out here asking you for a favor shouldn't make you forget that I am still your elder sister.
I'm sorry about that.
No, listen to me. It seems to me you've been bought over. Yeah, you've been bribed by Ola and Ngozi, right?
Me?
They've bribed you. How much did they pay you?
Oh, sis.
No, because why would you want them to get married before I, your elder sister? Why would you want them to get married first before me? You don't want me to settle down? Are you happy that I'm still here unmarried? Is that it?
Sis, this is not the kind of life I planned for you. Yes, but it's fine. There is no problem. See, I suggest you go to Benjamin yourself. You talk to him one-on-one. Yes, I am sure he will listen to you. Please.
I said it. I was right after all. You've been both. And I'm wondering how much did they pay you for this? Oh. So your conscience will allow you close your eyes, your mind, and your brain from doing what is right. Is that it?
Sis, I will take anything from you, but I will never allow you accuse me falsely, knowing fully well it's a lie. There's no way I can collect money from Ngozi or Ola to get a man for them. No way. I don't know what you take me as. I don't know. Please, excuse me.
Ordinary cook, don't turn to lover boy. I was in my heart to cake you.
Sorry, Ure.
But now I don't vex you.
I didn't mean it that way. I'm sorry. I was acting out of impulse and suspicion. Sorry though.
Benji, ina balole ukwu na no yako onye nwetele higo skata neno Benjamin no celebrity cook no mazina wala ya aye.
Obele.
Eh?
What are you doing here?
Is that the welcome you should tell me?
You should be in school. What happened?
I better shift. Stop acting as if you are my father or my uncle. Not that I get come inside.
This boy, you are trying me in this palace.
Benjamin, come, my son. First time, I am very, very happy.
Me too. I'm very happy.
You made me proud.
Well done.
Let me tell you, you have really made me happy.
Thank you, Highness.
I am proud to have you in my household. I never knew he's a wonderful choreographer. Can you imagine? I want to make a promise. For making my daughters dance to this magnitude, I will not hesitate to increase your salary.
Thank you very much, Your Highness.
If I get angry, I don't mind giving you a car.
Your Highness. Thank you very much.
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you very much, sir.
What it means for you girls is a win for one is a win for all.
Thank you very much.
You all are winners.
Thank you.
Courtesy of Benjamin.
I'm happy.
Thank you.
I'm happy.
Thank you very much.
That's
Thank you
good.
very much.
That's good.
What are you trying to say, Obele?
I dey try to say that guy, that Benji dey deceive you. That Benji dey try tell you go say you go teach him daughters how to dance. So I go film Yankee.
How do you come to know all this?
You see, since when that guy come this palace, I don't dey talk. I say that guy dey on a mission. He dey on a mission, but now na the time when you want accomplish him. But I no go allow him.
Yes, you said
Yes, I
it.
no go allow him.
You said it, I can remember.
I want make breeze blow now, make the sea fan yansh.
But Obele, you always speak like a prophet. How?
What did they do yourself? You know I be prophet before. Na because I never tell you about your mama and papa. I never tell you about your family, Abi. That old age when your mama dey fight. No, I no for tell you. I never tell you, but no wahala now. You go still hear discuss.
But you have told me to keep my eyes on Benji. And I've been doing that all this long. I've not seen him doing anything.
Na him be say you get eye, but you know they see. And like same thing with your mama. Make I not tell you, get eye, you know they see. You get ear, but your ear block. But me, I get eye, and I dey see where my crocodile eyes. I get ear, and I dey hear perfect. No, Anna, you go hear news, you go hear scores. But if you say you go Yankee when I dey here, no what. My guy, make I go do what I supposed to now.
I don't understand this boy self. The way he talks to me. One day I will just lock him up and beat him up mercilessly.
My prince. You are welcome to my palace.
Thank you, my king. Thank you very much.
Yes. What of your father, the king? How is he?
A bit under the weather, my king. I was supposed to take him for a medical checkup, but because I've already selected today as the day I choose my bride, so I decided to be here first.
So sorry. I'm sorry about that. I hope somebody has taken him to the hospital.
Yes, my king. The crown prince.
That's good. That's good. I'll make out time to call him later.
Okay, my king. Thank you very much.
To know how he's doing.
Okay. Thank you.
Drink. Cheers.
Let's begin, my king, so that I can go meet them at the hospital.
That won't be a problem. Ogidi.
Yes, Your Highness.
Go get my daughters for me. Tell them that the prince is here.
Yes, Your Highness.
Quickly.
How is your mother?
She's fine, my queen.
You look better by the day.
Thank you, my king. You look good too.
I could not see any of them, Your Highness.
I don't understand. Are they coming?
I said I did not see any of them.
What does that mean? What does that mean? What happened? Where is Urena? Urena,
Mother,
where are your sisters? Where are they?
Mother, I am even surprised. They each told me they were coming to meet the prince.
Where could they have been? What do you mean by your surprise?
Are they here now?
They're not here yet.
I don't know.
These children will not cease to amaze me.
Father, I don't know.
They say my food is not enough. They want my ojola. They said they hate me before.
What is wrong with you girls? Huh? Even when you all told me that you were going to meet him.
Ray, my sister, I was going to see him, I swear. For real, I was going to see him. When I got an emergency call that my delivery has arrived, I had to go and pick up myself.
Sis, but you always use courier and they deliver it at home. What is going on?
My sister, it's the fault of the sender. Instead of using a courier person to send my stuff, she sent it through, she gave it to a bus driver. And you know how impatient and rude these guys can be. So I had to go there by myself to pick up my stuff before story that touches will enter the matter. I'm sorry, it wasn't an intentional act. I was going to come, I honestly was going to be there.
Yeah, me too. I dressed up for the dancing competition. All of a sudden, I started purging. My tummy kept on wobbling. Do you know, I'm still purging up till now. I'm tired. You know when you're purging, you just get tired. See, people should not near the toilet though, because what I deposited there, if you enter there, you will just, you know.
Better go and get a medication to suspend whatever is coming up from there. Come on. Yeah.
Hooray, darling.
Come on, punish me.
I'm so sorry I didn't show up. I was getting ready. You know that dress I wanted to wear?
Yes.
I finished my makeup. For me to wear it, I noticed that I added weight. So there was no way I could wear that. And then the other one I brought to wear, I wore it and came down, the thing tore. I became embarrassed. So I decided to stay back.
I should have worn my own clothes now.
As if it will enter me.
It's okay, Uri. How did it go, please?
It went well. Well, Mom and Dad, they were very unhappy with you guys. You have to go and beg Mom or Dad. I don't know.
Yeah, I'm still watching. Dog is going wrong, please.
And of all the days, you chose the day the prince of Imama kingdom, the day that he decided to pick a bride in my palace. You choose that day to insult me. You should have told me, all of you should have told me that you're not interested in getting married to the prince. Better for me.
Do you know my pain? They were all told the reason we wanted any of them to marry the prince. And these fools agreed. Only to ruin everything with your absence. What effrontery? What guts?
Father.
Will you shut that thing you call ma? Shut it, please. For crying out loud, you should be my eldest daughter. And you should know better. Why did you decide to insult me? To urinate on my intelligence? What is it?
Father, I'm sorry. It wasn't an...
Really now? It wasn't intentional. Can tell that to the dogs.
I am so embittered. Now, before I open my eyes, I want all of you to leave my presence.
Sorry, Dad.
Now!
Sorry.
Don't tell me, don't preach that sermon to me. Obele, up till now you've not told me why you came down from school.
I'll tell you, but not now. I'm still sorting out some things.
What are you sorting out?
I'm sorry to say this, but you must not know everything. I want to ask you a question. Do you know the reason your daughters did not show up when Prince Ifeanyi came?
What are you talking about?
I am saying, do you know why your daughters did not show up when Prince Ifai came here?
What is the reason?
Well, I'll tell you, but not now. Yes, I'll tell you. Let me wait until what is hidden is made known. Then I'll tell you. Thank you.
Come back here. Come here. Are you mad? You mean you came all the way from school to come and give me this rubbish? Huh? Listen to me. Look at me. Now, I do not want to behold your face in this palace from tomorrow. Go back to school and now.
No, you guys not like that.
I said go back to school. Siabapo, go to school. Come on.
Sorry.
What boldness. Take a heat.
So you mean all the dancing class was in vain? Why didn't they show up?
Honestly, I don't know. The reasons they were giving that made them not to show up wasn't even enough for their absence. I am still shocked.
But you came out to meet the prince?
No, I came out to cheer my sisters.
Are you saying you're not interested in the prince?
Mr. Benjamin, I told you this before. I am doing the dancing class with them just to please my parents. I am not really interested in the prince.
Are you for real?
Honestly.
Good, I think you're not interested in the prince because you must not marry the prince. Yes. You can settle for a commoner. You can. What matters is where you find true love. You're not marrying royalty, but your happiness is the paramount point here. You get?
Mr. Benjamin, you don't get it. I am not ready to settle down with anybody, not even a commoner. Honestly.
They say my food is not enough. They want my ojolo. They said they hated me before. Now they come, they love me, die. Jay, ordinary cook, don't turn to lover boy. I was in my heart to cake, and I saw my soul. But now I don't bless you. I don't get joy again. Hey. Everybody must go, let's go. Yeah. Jay, Benji, Ina Balole, Ukuna Noyako, Onya Wetele, Ego Scatter, Nana Benjamin, Celebrity Cookie, no Mazina, Walla, yeah.
Obele,
Waiting.
what is this that I'm hearing?
What is there?
I heard that Igwe's daughters are pregnant.
I not tell you said you go hear scores very soon. I not tell you.
Yes, you did.
Now why you call me out here? Tell you say I be prophet and my prophecy don't come to pass.
But who are they pregnant for?
They are pregnant for you. Use your brain. Try to be using your brain.
This is where I've been saying this thing often. Yeah? I think it's making sense.
Mother.
Urena, are you pregnant as well? Please tell me you're not pregnant. Tell me.
Mother.
Eh?
What are you talking about?
Just answer my question. Are you pregnant?
Mother, I am not pregnant.
But how will you know now whether you're pregnant? Did you vomit? Did you vomit? Let me see.
Mother, I didn't vomit. Mother, you are beginning to scare me. What is going on?
Meaning you're not pregnant?
I am not pregnant.
Hey! God, thank you. Mana Benji, Meremalo. Benji,
What has he done again, Mother? What is it?
Hey! Benji, you're just giving me Munkao.
If that boy escapes, I will make sure your head will escape from your body. Make sure you get him. Oh. If I lose him, I will lose your head.
Just wait.
How dare you? How dare you? I gave you an opportunity and welcomed you to my palace. I did all for you. Look at the way you paid me back.
Honestly, I cannot believe we trusted you so much and treated you like the son we never had. Yet you had them guts, the temerity to do this to us. That is what you are.
He's a bastard.
How can you be this wicked?
Bloody bastard. And this monkey knows fully well that they are blood sisters. Blood sisters for that matter. And you went ahead to pregnant all of them. You brought this level of unwarranted disgrace to this family. I trusted you with every fiber in my flesh. But listen and listen very good. I swear by my throne, I will deal with you decisively. For bringing this kind of concentrated insult to my household, I swear I will deal with you in such a way you will never forget it in a hurry.
Your Highness, it's not my fault. Your daughters kept visiting my room at odd hours. They seduced me. They forced my hands.
Hey!
I did not approach any of them.
Therefore, please shut that informer. Shut your trap. Shut it. they forced your hands.
They forced this one under too.
And I'll make sure you suffer this. Guys, take this monkey inside the cage.
Put him in the dungeon.
Hold it! Put him inside the cage. Give him no food, no water, until I'm satisfied with him.
You should tie that under one very well.
This is a total amalgam of all insult. Who would have believed that a day like this will beseech the great king of Umunochi Kingdom? I lived an exemplary life. I never prospect that my own daughters will bring such a monumental disgrace to me and my legacy. Oh, I and your mother here did all humanly possible in raising you up and providing all that life can afford. But what my reward? What did you give back to us in return? You went to settle down with a low life, an nincompoop, a twat, a bloody charlatan that dines and wines with pigs, a he-goat that got all of you pregnanted. You are a total disgrace to royalty. It disgusts me.
Father, please. I'm very sorry, please. Forgive me and my sisters. My sisters and I are very sorry. We didn't mean to bring this shame and disgrace to this palace. He deceived me with his fake love. I actually believed his words for me. I never knew he was playing me and my sisters. Please. I was very foolish and stupid to have allowed him have his way with me. I am sorry, please forgive us. Please. Please.
I used to think, as a princess, I can get any man I want to. Anyhow I want, whenever I want. But no. Reverse is the case here. It's the other way around. It's been from one heartbreak to another, including Benjamin. Benjamin deceived me. Benjamin made me believe that I could still believe in a good man and end up with a good man. How do I know that it was all lies? Charade. Yes. And what did I get in return? Oh, was that pregnant? Was that pregnancy? Daddy, please forgive me.
I can't even believe I was ready to poison. I was ready to poison anyone that was ready to come in between me and Benjamin. Yes. At first, I hated him so much. Same with my sisters. I mean, they made me believe. If anyone would tell me that Benjamin
tell me who did this bad towards me. I will never believe it till I die. I will never believe it till I die. I'm heartbroken, I'm shattered. Benjamin was too innocent. He was too innocent to have fooled us all. Except Urena that just got lucky.
I am not lucky.
You're lucky, my sister.
I am not. He tried making advances at me severally. Father, yes, but I refused because I wasn't ready to settle down with any man. Father, I made him my friend. I was only learning how to cook from him. Nothing much. I thought I know him. I am really disappointed.
They say my food is not enough. They want my ojolo. They said they hated me before. Now they come, they love me, die. Joy, ordinary cook, don't turn to lover boy. I was in my heart to cake, joy, and I saw my soul. But now I don't vex you. I go massacre them. Onyenji dele tapia. I go massacre them. I go get joy again. I go massacre them. Everybody must go, let's go. I go massacre them. Joy, Benji. Ina balole. Ukuna no ya.
What is it?
May I? Sorry. I came to finish the discussion we started yesterday. And before I go on, call me Prophet Obele.
If you are not here for something very serious, go back to school.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, bro. Why I said you should call me Prophet is because everything I said has come to pass. Igwe, Benji is the reason your daughters did not show up when Prince Ifai came here.
You mean you've been aware of their secret affairs?
No, the fault is not coming from my hand because I told you, boy, do not listen to me.
Get out of my sight. Get out of my sight and now. Get out!
Sorry, sir.
If I squeeze you.
Sorry.
Get out. Come see my boy, sir. Where did I get this boy from?
Igwe, that mistake. You got the little prophet from
I said get out. Come on. See my boy, sir.
Your Highness, you don't look happy today. Is everything all right?
No, I'm fine.
You don't look like it. But I will accept your answer. Your Highness, what is happening? The other day that the Prince of Imamaland was here to make a choice of a bride, none of your daughters showed up except the last one.
Oh, no. They made a last-minute decision. They said they are not interested in the prince.
Wow. What should make a princess not to prefer a prince as a husband?
You know, children of these days. It's a generational thing. What do you want me to say?
Yeah. Well, Your Highness, the Prince of Imamadan said that he was very okay with the one that showed up. And if it is your wish, he will be here with his people to do the needful and to take her as a wife.
Are you for real? Does it mean I will finally have an heir to the throne again?
Exactly, my king. Oh. Oh no, my king, you don't have to do this. A king is not found in tears, please.
Oh no, not after the shameful thing that happened in my family recently. The disgrace was so much.
What happened, my king?
Can I trust you? What I'm about to tell you is the topmost secret in my life. Can you keep it?
You can trust me to my beloved king.
Well, I'm not coming back.
Why are you running?
You want to beat me? You think I don't know?
I said you should come back here.
Why are you so angry? Why are you so angry?
You see you, in this palace, if I do not kill you, call me a fool.
Take yours out, take yours out. Are you not pregnant for Benji? Are you pregnant for Benji, the ordinary cook? Everybody knows you are pregnant for Benji. Everybody knows. Are you not pregnant? You are even shameless. Wait, you are not even shameless. Because if you are shameless, you don't gotta do such a thing. Nonsense.